Good. Partly sunny with high overcast on this early summer, early June. Beautiful, nice, comfortable, low humidity day on the first day of summer in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. Just as I like it. It's beautiful outside, just gorgeous. This is VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you come, that's right, for a one-of-a-kind probability-based trading alert and company philosophy. And as I've been talking about, fiscal and monetary policy Fridays are going to be in full effect now. Every Friday will be heavily on fiscal and monetary policy, along with trading alerts and price alert updates scattered in throughout the day, but heavy talk on fiscal and monetary policy on Friday. I have a more diverse audience and they're asking for it, which I love because I love talking about it. And then Mondays will be Commodity Mondays will be heavily talked about commodities on Commodity Monday. Yes, there will be sprinkled in trading alerts, but we'll have a lot of gold talk, silver talk, corn, wheat, oil, whatever you want to get into, right? But this is a quick update. Also, you can see right here on the screen my latest silver purchase. Just a little bit of what I just bought. Some beautiful coins here, 1 ounce coins. Bullion coins. Stay with bars and bullion coins. They're the cheapest way to buy gold and silver bullion. These are beautiful coins. Sunshine Mint, one of them. And the iconic buffalo silver Indian head on the other. I love those. I have lots of those. I love the Indian buffaloes. But I had Xlm. Obviously, the subscriber asks every day for Xlm updates, but he doesn't pay attention to my updates, because if he did and paid attention to the Xlm report on this quick update, you would see we drew out the other day. We said this pattern was coming to an end right now. And then you can see in this blue track we wrote down back on the 30th that it could trade like this and then pop up to the overhead 200-day in the hour or the 4-hour time frame, which is right here. We'll move that over to make it the same day. We said if it popped up, you could run up to that overhead 200, which is where I drew it out, right? Where I thought it would be. I drew it out back here, right? When it was still there, and I said it's going to be over there somewhere. And if you pumped up, you could potentially come up and retouch it and retest, and then we would have to play it by there, looking at the volume. You can see the volume. You got a nice little volume spike right here. In the 2-hour time frame, you see that? You had a nice volume spike, but it's still trending down, so it's still bearish overall. So I think you're going to come up in here and get rejected and trade back down in Xlm the rest of the day, or the next few days, not the rest of the day. The next few days, you could come up a little higher. You know, you could overshoot it real quick and then come back. But I think eventually you're going to end up starting to trade down, and you're going to test this old upper resistance that you just broke out of, and in the next few days to week, you're going to come down and start retesting it. So we're going to move this now. You're going to start retesting. I think you're going to come down and retest that as underneath support now at 35 cents in Xlm. We'll keep an eye on it. This was just a brief update. The gold market not really doing anything today. Kinross is up a little bit for me. B2 Gold's having a decent day. AAU's having a decent day, making some money there. Roscon Gold making some money. GPL losing money. They had that mine problem, so it's a great time to buy. If you haven't entered into Great Panther mining yet, now would be a phenomenal, fantastic time to start entering into a position off of a 25% dump in the last 10 or 15 trading days due to they had heavy rain and flooding at their mine, and they got to temporarily slow down production at a key mine to get the flooding out and then rebuild a wall that got damaged. So it's going to take them a month or two. But as summer starts to wear down, they're going to start getting back into some good production. They'll be back up. This is just a great buying time, and I did buy more of that on the dip. Fortuna Silver is a solid company, fundamental. They're a silver producer. They do mine gold and other base metals. They're a phenomenal company. I have had them before. I will look to add them back into my position because they're a phenomenal company. More updates to come. Like, subscribe, and share. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I play one on my own radio network. Peace and love. Peace and love. Peace and love.